Hello, good morning, sunshine. So we are sailing back to Canaran for a safety place because they have a cyclone coming up this week. So yeah, we're sailing back there. What a beautiful morning. You'll be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? We're going east.
Right, start turning back that way, please, towards the sun. Just start the motors, please.
You've done really good.
I thought it was a bloody tuna.
Come up, girl. And now we're having breakfast. We have egg, sardines, 4 egg. I'm going to put some seasoning, white pepper, So we are here now, anchored here in Canaran. It's a very beautiful morning. So good morning. We decided to fix our anchor light. So we tried yesterday to fly the drone so that we can take a video at the top of the mast today, but it won't allowed us because they have an airport here in Canaran and it's very they're restricted. So yeah, that's why this morning I'm going there to take a video. I'm going up to the end of that mast.
Right up the top.
Okay.
your hand. You're going to go right to the top.
Yeah, that's it. So I'm here in the top. So this is our anchor light. This is not working. The top wire. Holy crap!
Alright, take a video so you can see us back down here.
What a beautiful morning! Yeah. Hi.
Right, you ready to come down? You got everything ready?
Just gentle, okay?
Gentle it is.
Woo. Woo. Oh my god, I sweat a lot. Now I'm getting dizzy here.
Push off to one side a bit. That's it.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, God help me. Oh. Oh. Thank you. You done really good. So I've done my part. I took some videos so that I can give him an idea what he's going to bring there. So now it's his turn to go up and fix the anchor light.
Yeah, unfortunately they didn't do such a good job.
Yeah. So you're gonna bring the heat gun? Yeah. So only one wire that it's like this corroded?
Yeah, only one, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we find out what's the problem in the anchor light. So yeah, the wire, it's been corroded. He cut it and then reconnecting again. Yeah, hopefully it will fix. Turn off! So we also take off the floodlight because the only problem with this is the light of this floodlight is very low, so it's not bright enough. So we're going to change the bulb inside, and yeah, that would be fixed. The anchor light is already fixed. Yeah, Lyndon fixed it, so it's working good now. We're going to town. One of our friends living here in Canaran is going to pick up us going to the grocery store, and then we're going to fill up this container diesel just to storage. Here. Oh yeah, like mini kill. Like 38?
Been there a long time, isn't it? Yeah, it's about that.
Yeah. 38.
To the courtesy mooring down there.
Yeah,
I could still do that, yeah?
yeah.
But I just decided yesterday just to anchor up here.
Oh, they told you to anchor there? Or?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. So that you're on mooring there?
No, just on anchor.
Oh,
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, you too. Alright. Going for groceries just a little. getting some potato.
Yeah. Like a road, eh?
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, bloody big mushrooms. Like a garlic bread.
Garlic bread. So we're back in the boat. So we finished grocery, buy another bag of rice, and then we brought a little Honda generator. Yeah. So we finished all our job for today, and I just want to say thank you to all of you for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And yeah, see you for the next video that we're going to post.